Hey everyone, Andy and Trey here for Two Gay Expats. If you're looking for the best gay travel hotspots and events in 2025, we've got you covered.
Get ready to fill your calendar with epic parties and sun-soaked escapes in some of the world's hottest destinations. Are you ready?
Let's go. Whether you're chasing parades, parties, or sun-drenched escapes, we've mapped out 2025's must-visit gay destinations and events. And we're doing it by month this year for a twist.
From Puerto Vallarta to Provincetown, Sydney to Sitges, these hotspots are calling your name.
Before we dive in, it would be awesome if you would smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures.
We're also inching closer to 30,000 subscribers, so why not join us? It's completely free for you and means the world to us.
Starting strong in January, head to Puerto Vallarta for Beef Dip, an internationally loved bear event spilling into early February. Think pool parties, bar crawls, and all the steamy vibes you'd expect in this iconic gay destination.
With warm weather, stunning beaches, and a thriving neighborhood in Zona Romantica, Puerto Vallarta is the perfect way to kick off your year.
Popular gay hotels include Almar with famed Montemar Beach Club, clothing-optional Casa Cupola, home to weekly pool parties, and the infamous Secret Garden, and the newly opened Tryst. Check out our videos in the Watch Next section of the description for our gay hotel and nightlife reviews.
Heading into February, we stay in Mexico for the Cipolite Nudist Festival, a laid-back, free-spirited event. It's held in one of our favorite gay-friendly destinations, Cipolite, which is also known as Mexico's first legal nude beach. Picture beach parties, nude yoga, and incredible sunsets.
Along with New Year's, the Nudist Festival is perhaps the busiest time of year. A few of our favorite places in Cipolite include relaxing at El Alchemista Hotel's stunning restaurant, where you can easily pop out for a skinny dip, the weekly gay pool party at Nudism Mandatory Casa Nudista, or the nightly sunset at Playa del Amor. If you want to see more, we have plenty of behind-the-scenes photos and videos from last year's Nudist Festival over on our Patreon.
And for where to stay, you have to watch our 5 best nudist hotels in Cipolite, our second most popular video on YouTube, behind our top 10 best gay nude beaches in the world. Again, we'll link both of them for you down in the description.
Moving into March, all eyes are on Sydney for their legendary Mardi Gras. It's an epic celebration of LGBTQ culture and pride, featuring the glittering parade, massive parties, and plenty of Aussie charm.
We're obsessed with Sydney's beach culture, from gorgeous sunrises at Bondi to exploring the many gay nude beaches like the frisky and flirty Obelisk, local favorite Cobblers, and the more mixed Lady Jane.
In addition to Sundays at the Beresford, our favorite gay weekly party in the city, you have to make a pilgrimage to the Imperial of Priscilla, Queen of the Desert fame. You won't regret it, unless you're shy.
With temperatures heating up stateside in April, Miami Beach Pride brings sunshine and celebration. Expect electrifying parties, vibrant parades, and a fabulous LGBTQ community.
For the best gay beaches, 12th Street on South Beach is closest to all the action. But we prefer Nudist Hallover, about 20 minutes north. It's the local favorite with fine white sand, crystal clear water, and some of the best people watching you can imagine for sizzling Miami.
After the gay beach, we love the Gathering, the gay hotel, bar, and sauna for their unique nudist crate rooms, amazing happy hours and weekly events, and their downstairs sauna to relax after the beach or a day exploring Miami.
Prefer Europe? Head to Torremolinos for the Grabbies, a one-of-a-kind adult industry awards show with plenty of scandalous fun. It's held annually at the Ritual Hotel, the largest gay hotel in Southern Europe. We love their nudist roof deck.
And for a bonus tip, April is prime season for gay popular transatlantic cruises from Royal Caribbean and Celebrity. We recently scored an all-in rate on Celebrity for $15.99 all-in, including an infinite veranda stateroom, standard drinks package, Wi-Fi, and gratuities for the 14-day crossing.
This might be our best deal yet using ID90 Travel for exclusive cruise discounts only available to travel professionals, which they recently opened up to friends and family. We'll add a link if you'd like to use ours to sign up. If it's expired, just ask us for a fresh one on Instagram or Patreon. ID90 is also great for last-minute hotel deals and car rentals.
With spring in full swing, May is packed with incredible gay events. First up, White Party in Palm Springs is a legendary circuit event that draws a global crowd to the desert. If the host hotel is too much for you, we recently enjoyed a very relaxing and luxurious stay at the brand new Thompson, which we highly recommend.
Puerto Vallarta Pride also heats up this month, and across the Atlantic, Mas Palomas Pride in Gran Canaria is one of Europe's biggest and best gay events. Stateside, Pensacola Beach is a Memorial Day weekend hotspot that's worth a visit too.
June is all about World Pride in Washington, D.C., a can't-miss event celebrating global LGBTQ solidarity. Shakira is one of the recently announced headliners, and we can't wait to see what other showstoppers the committee pulls out to take this already fantastic event to the next level.
For theme park lovers, one magical weekend in Orlando is a blast. We've had so much fun at Riptide in years past. Think Disney After Dark with your chosen family.
In July, Provincetown is the place to be. Start with the 4th of July festivities, then stay for Bear Week, a fun and inclusive celebration with beach parties, tea dances, and more. It's quintessential summer on Cape Cod with a fabulous twist.
For clothing optional fun, head to Boy Beach before starting your night at Boat Slip for tea, followed by a night of dancing at A House. For late night shenanigans, head to Richard's Dock under Boat Slip. If you know, you know.
August is sizzling when it comes to the gay events calendar. Don't miss Amsterdam Pride with its iconic canal parade and fantastic street parties. Of all the prides we've been to in the world, everyone should get themselves to Amsterdam Pride at least once. There's truly something for everyone.
Stateside, Chicago Market Days is another one of our favorites. A massive street festival packed with great music, food, and entertainment. We also have to give a shout out to Excelsior Mykonos and Barcelona Circuit for circuit fans. They are both absolutely massive gay events in August.
To close out an incredible summer, September is all about Sitges Bear Week in Spain, a fun and flirty event in one of Europe's best gay travel destinations. With 3 gay beaches, 2 of them nudist, and a welcoming nightlife scene, Sitges is always a good idea, whether traveling solo, as a couple, or with a group of friends.
Prefer the U.S.? Southern Decadence in New Orleans is a lively, anything-goes celebration you won't forget.
And if you're not ready for the summer party season to end, Atlanta Pride in October is your best bet. With a welcoming vibe and plenty of Southern charm, this city is filled with delicious eats and a diverse nightlife scene. The Pride Festival and Parade are extraordinarily well produced and attended.
At month's end, Savannah Pride and Las Vegas Pride are our 2 honorable mentions. We love the romantic streets in historic Savannah and the incredible nightlife in Vegas.
I know we've already given a shout out to our 2 most popular YouTube videos, but our 3rd is Gay Las Vegas Nightlife. It's definitely worth a watch.
To kick off November, Palm Springs Pride is a huge draw with desert style, a fantastic parade, and perfect weather. The Pride Festival shuts down Palm Canyon Drive and Arenas Road, the heart of gay Palm Springs, which becomes an outdoor entertainment venue. Out of all the prides we've been to, Palm Springs we find the most welcoming and easiest to meet locals and fellow travelers.
For a cultural twist, head to Mexico City, Oaxaca, or Playa del Carmen for Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead celebrations that blend tradition and LGBTQ flair. We're always in awe of the incredible costumes and face paint.
To end the year in style, step out of your comfort zone and close at Bone Island, Barretall, and Key West. This extended weekend-long nudist event hosts pool parties, shopping trips, drag performances, beer busts, and even a competition to crown Mr. Bone Island, all in the nude.
Of course, we're back again at nudist-friendly Island House Key West, the self-described best gay resort in the world, which truly has it all. Renovated rooms, a 24-hour heated pool and bar, fantastic restaurant, friendly staff, and a full gay sauna with indoor and outdoor hot tubs, steam room, gang shower, and fitness center. They also have lockers for those joining with a day pass.
Be sure to check out our full gay hotel review of Island House for all the insider tips and our Patreon for behind-the-scenes photos and videos from Bone Island.
Then ring in the new year with the famous shoe drop. Sushi was always our favorite to watch, but we're excited to see Randy Roberts is taking over. She's one of the best Cher impersonators we've ever seen, and it's the perfect way to wrap up an incredible year of gay travel adventures.
Well, that's a wrap for the best gay travel hotspots and events in 2025. Where are you planning to travel this next year? We'd love to hear from you down in the comments.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures. For more gay travel inspiration, head over to our website at twogayexpats.com, check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section, and follow us on your favorite socials at twogayexpats. And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for our exclusive photos, videos, and content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Hasta luego.